Build AI apps with Python in NeoVim, Episode 6. Vision. Image input. So far we have sent text to Claude, but Claude can also see images. You send an image as base64 data alongside a text prompt. Claude analyzes the image and responds with a detailed description. Today we build an image describer. 2 images in, descriptions out. Here is our first image. A sunset over the ocean. And a second. A city skyline. A new file. This episode adds a whole new dimension. Claude can see. Episode 6. Vision. A eye that understands images. A new import, base64. This converts binary image data into text that APIs can handle. Think of base64 like putting a photo in an envelope. The image becomes a long text string. The rest is familiar. OS, .env, Anthropic. Load the key, create the client. Same foundation for every episode. Why a function? So we can describe any number of images with the same code. A reusable function. Pass any image file path, get back a description. Open the file in binary mode. RB means read bytes, not text. Base64.b64 encode converts the raw bytes to base64, then decode to a UTF-8 string. We need to tell Claude what kind of image it is: PNG, JPEG, or other. This extracts the file extension and builds the media type string. A small fix. JPG files need the media type image/JPEG, not image/JPG. Save to check our progress so far. Image loaded and encoded. Now we need to send it to Claude. Now the API call. Same messages, .create we have been using. But the message content is different. Instead of a simple string, it is a list. First item in the list, the image. Type is image. Source contains the base 64 data. Source has 3 fields. Type is base 64. Media type tells the format. Data is the encoded image. Second item, a text prompt. This tells Claude what to do with the image. Describe this image in detail. You can ask any question about any image. Close the brackets. The structure is nested, but the pattern is clear. Return the text response. Same as before. First test, a sunset image. Watch what Claude sees. Second test, a city skyline. Same function, different image. Save and run. 2 images, 2 descriptions. Watch for the descriptions. Claude will tell us exactly what it sees. Claude describes the sunset. It sees colors, shapes, and composition. Now the city. Claude identifies buildings, sky, and urban elements. Two different images, 2 detailed descriptions. The same function handles both. This is the power of multimodal AI. Text and images through the same API. Back to the top, the key pattern, image block plus text block. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, base64 encoding converts images to text strings the API can handle. Second, message content becomes a list. Image block plus text block together. Third, Claude sees and understands images. Same API, new capability. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Next episode, your first tool, function calling.